Champions are come with beautifully fantastic and delicious. Okay, wait, it's very bright, sorry. Bright being South African right now. Delicious news, I have not addressed this yet. The Springbok Women's Sevens team are the champions of the whole of Africa. They had a continental breakfast on Sunday. Once again, champions of Africa. Have not addressed that because they have not been here since then. Boom. Springbok women, congratulations. Boom, boom. Secondly, champions, Franco Mostert's red card has been rescinded, which is basically Woolworth's language for reversed, taken back, downgraded to a yellow card. Now we can go into all sorts of conversations. Did all 4, 5, 6 match officials get that wrong on the day? Were they all conforming with each other? Is there conspiracy against South Africa? Also, we played 60 minutes with 14 men when we shouldn't have. But I'll tell you one thing. Franco Mostert was never ever supposed to get a red card. He can only always get a yellow card in his whole life. And the answer was staring us in the face all the time. It was always a yellow, and it was staring us in the face as Franco Mostert. What is mustard? It is mustard. What color is mustard? It is yellow. Champions, don't forget, you're a champion and a legend. I love you. 3-0.